In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Kucoin to Trust Wallet using the mobile app. First, open Trust Wallet and tap the coin you want to receive, like USDT. Tap Receive, then choose the correct network if Trust Wallet shows options such as TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20. Copy the receive address. Now open the Kucoin app and log in. Tap Assets at the bottom. Make sure your crypto is in main or funding. If it's in trading or futures, tap Transfer and move it to main first, or Next. Tap Withdraw, choose Crypto, and select the same coin, like USDT. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the address field, then select the same network you chose in Trust Wallet. Enter the amount, then carefully check the address, network, and withdrawal fee. If Kucoin asks for a memo/tag, only enter it when Trust Wallet provides one. Finally, tap Confirm. Complete any 2 if-a codes and submit. After the blockchain confirms the transfer, your crypto will appear in Trust Wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.